Here we have a 68 plate BMW 320d M Sport Shadow Edition Touring. Now this vehicle comes with the LED headlights. We also have the 20-inch alloy wheels with the blue M Sport brake calipers. The blue exterior paintwork, colour-coded door handles. We also have the black door mirrors, black trim around the windows with the privacy glass for the rear passengers. The black roof rails up top, along with the shark fin antennae and the rear spoiler. We have the rear parking sensors with a visual display inside and an audible warning. A power assisted tailgate which can get opened with a press of a button from the remote. We also have the full end performance kit which includes the front splitter, side skirts and the rear diffuser with a twin pipe exhaust. And if you walk back round to the driver's side, you find that this vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. So if you take a look then at the interior, coming into the back first, you find we have the leather interior, black leather, foldable armrests and the fixed ISO points for the back passengers. Again at the front we have the same leather interior, and there's a look at them front seats, both of which are heated, and we also have the premium Harman Kardon sound system with the blue stitching combined with the black leather. We have the child lock for the rear windows. We also have the electric mirrors, the automatic lights, automatic wipers. Taking the seat inside, you find we have the multifunctional steering wheel, paddle shifters on either side. We have the speed limiter and the cruise control, high beam assist just here. We also have the main screen here in the centre. If that's flickering, it's just the camera, it's not flickering in real life. So as you can see, we have the sat nav. We also have a range of media, such as the radio. We also have plenty of other options, such as the Bluetooth phone connectivity, the USB and the CD player. We have the Bluetooth phone for making phone calls as well, with the dual zone climate control, heated seats and the ice-cold air conditioning. With the automatic gearbox with the different drive modes, a manual handbrake and also a nice little leather armrest here in the centre. But that's all I'm going to show you guys today. If you'd like to find out more, then please check out the website. This vehicle comes with a fresh service, fresh MOT and free nationwide next day delivery. Thank you for watching.